copy. I want to practice when I get clients, but I just keep pressing the space bar. I'm such a disappointment. How does Alex do it?
Oh, you haven't heard? Alex does something he calls the sticky research process. He does it before he writes anything.
Sticky research? Sounds kind of gross.
Writing is hard. There are like 20,000 words to choose from. I wouldn't blame you for looking at what pro copywriters can produce and feeling overwhelmed. How the heck can they write so much of such high quality when you're not even sure where to begin? I'll let you in on a secret. The ability of top copywriters has very little to do with talent. In fact, they're more like children with a new Lego set. First of all, they make sure they have all the pieces, then they build something. But because you never get to see the first step of that process, you assume the awesome Lego castle they build just comes from imagination alone.
The only difference between you and the best copywriters is that right now, you've not been given the instructions that tell you what Lego bricks you need. But luckily for you, today, I'm your daddy, and it's your birthday. Time to buy you a brand new Lego set. But instead of a Lego set, it's actually a complete overview of our special sticky research process that you can use again and again to kick off any copywriting project without worrying about a blank screen. That's way better than Lego, mostly.
But the fact remains, the best copy doesn't come from random imagination. It comes from a process. And in this section, we'll cover the principles of research that allow you to prepare for writing the most persuasive copy possible. You won't have to worry about typing randomly on a blank page. Instead, our sticky research process gives you the starting place for every piece of copy you have to write. Plus, we're giving you access to our sticky research cheat sheets, which you can use as a useful reminder for what you have to do at the start of any copywriting project. To grab your copies, just click the top link in the description below to access the entire course's free companion guide. Are you excited? Good. Because by the end of this section, you won't be in any doubt anymore about how the top copywriters find the pieces that allow them to build the Lego castles of copy.